I'm Don Cooper, the CEO and founder of Innovator, and today's session is part of a series that we're offering on above ground storage tank repairs. And today we are talking about the forge bonding repair method.
Guardrails, as I mentioned, is our second most popular application. Again, a retrofit as opposed to repair. There's two methods we use. One is prefabricated. They're welded up in sections in a shop and hoisted with a crane. It's not our preferred method, but sometimes our customers want to do it this way and they want to supply the guardrails. So the method we propose and that we prefer are custom fit guardrails, where we will go out to the job site and we'll measure out the tank, and then we'll estimate how much room we need from the edge of the tank for our brackets. And then we have the posts fabricated and the horizontal rails fabricated to match the tank. It's a custom fit. And you can see here we've used bolts to tie everything together. And so basically everything's bolted. Once we put our studs down, the bracket gets bolted to the tank roof, the post gets bolted to the bracket, and then the horizontals are bolted to the posts. You can see the yellow in this photograph is what the customer originally had, but for accessing valves, pressure relief valves and manual valves on the roof, and sensors, they want access to the full roof, so they like to, for fall protection safety, they like to have guardrails installed all the way around. So we have techniques for tying into what's there.